You want to check back in with Wave 31 meteorologist Rob Elvington. He is currently keeping an eye on that winter weather mix that's making its way through North Alabama. I know a lot of that rain might actually be out of here pretty soon.
And what is it? The 4 Ps: people, pipes, pets, and plants.
Yes.
If you have any plants still.
And it will be cold enough tonight that we could have some issues with some of those exposed pipes. So yeah, don't forget about that. I know we're all keeping a close eye on the sleet, freezing rain, and even snow chances, but we're down into the teens tomorrow morning. Actual temperatures, not the feels like temperatures. Again, keep a close eye on places like Muscle Shoals because that cold air is coming in from out of the north and northwest. And so Muscle Shoals is one of the first spots to see it. 36 degrees at the last update. We could see maybe slightly cooler at that noon update. That, of course, is still above freezing. But I'm showing this because the radar is actually indicating that maybe a little bit of snow is falling. And what's interesting, our radar, which is a part of the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network in Muscle Shoals, it's sitting on top of a water tower. So by the time that it's reaching places like Killen, it's probably scanning closer to about 500-600 feet. So it may be finding snow at about 600 feet above the ground, and it's still melting between 600 feet above the ground and ground level, but it just goes to show you that that cold air is rapidly moving in. Also still seeing some snow reports on the radar in eastern Lauderdale County and into Limestone County, and we're also keeping a close eye on places like northern Madison County and into northern Jackson County as you cross over the state line. That's the best places to see some of that freezing rain, sleet, and possibly even some wet snow eventually trying to mix in, but it's going to take some time for that colder air to work its way across North Alabama. Again, these are the latest temperatures, still above freezing for everyone in North Alabama. Athens is actually up a degree in the last hour, now 34 degrees, 34 in Huntsville, 34 in Decatur, and 36 degrees in Muscle Shoals. You head further off to the southeast, we're just not as concerned as you get closer to Fort Payne and Gadsden. That's where we have that warmer air that's locked in place. That's why you were dropped from that winter weather advisory. Again, it's not just this afternoon what's falling from the sky. We're concerned about the refreeze. Look at the temperatures by 8 o'clock here this evening. We are down into the mid-20s already by 8 o'clock. So anything that is still on the roads, any water, it is going to freeze very quickly, and it could become very dangerous, especially for some of those bridges and overpasses. Through the overnight hours, we're down into the teens by sunrise tomorrow morning. We may make it up to freezing for some spots by the middle of the afternoon, but it's going to be a struggle. So again, still very cold all the way through your Friday afternoon. There is the possibility, though, that we still have enough liquid on some of those tree branches and some of the trees that we could still be dealing with some power outage issues here by this evening and into the overnight hours. And it's because of that weight of the water on the trees and branches and even some of those lingering leaves that are still in the trees, plus the winds. Look at the winds gusting out of the north at around 25 miles per hour here by this evening. So a little bit of added weight plus some of these winds could bring some power outage issues. But again, we're going to be wrapping up a lot of this freezing rain, sleet, even snow by the mid-afternoon hours. By 4 o'clock, we're pretty much wrapping things up. 8 o'clock tonight, we still have some cloud cover in place, but we're done with any type of wintry mix. And then through the overnight hours and into your Friday morning, we start to see the skies clearing. So the sunshine tomorrow will help to eliminate some of that lingering black ice into your Friday afternoon. So it looks like the refreeze Friday night and into Saturday morning should not be as bad as what we're expecting for tonight. And we will stay dry all the way through your Saturday. Next chance for rain, that comes on Sunday, but look at the temperatures. Both the lows and the highs are well above freezing, but then we are back down into the mid-40s by the start of next week. So really feeling like January right now here in North Alabama.